Thank you for showing the interest in Android app development workshop. I will explain how 7 days of live workshop can benefit you to becoming an Android app developer. You will learn the basics of Android and Java concepts required to develop COVID-19 tracker app using real-time data from API. This is the exact app you will develop in these 7 days, where we provide step-by-step explanation on how to design UI UX in Android Studio. Also, you will start developing onboarding screens, user registration, Google login, and database configuration. You will be able to fetch the data from API to show global stats and Indian statistics of COVID cases. Also, you will be developing a module called Self-Checkup like a quiz and show them the result. Total more than 10 plus screens will be designing in this particular app. Finally, you will learn how to deploy this application in Google Play Store. Did we not mention that all these are live and practical oriented exclusively for beginners? For those who complete the assignment, we will provide a certification from Diksha Academy, plus bonus we will provide daily PDFs as course material contains step-by-step instruction to code on your own. Choose your available schedule and book your slot.